Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get and use a sign and grow a garden too. Okay, let's get into it guys. A sign is one of the gear items in grow a garden too. You can go to this shop and then you can buy the sign. And if I'm not mistaken, it cost 3k shekels, 3 or 5. I don't really remember, and I've already owned this item guys, so I'm going to show you how you can use it. Okay, first you can go to the inventory and you're going to go to the all section, and then you can tap on the sign and it will be like this. You can use this sign to communicate with the other players. You can tap on this sign to type something. I'm going to type let's trade. Oops, sorry. Okay, just like this, and the sign will change. And yeah, just use it to communicate with other players guys. I think it's not really bad to buy. You can use it for fun. Okay guys, and that's how we can get and use sign and grow a garden too. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.